Good morning, students. This class we are going to see about solubility product. What does mean by solubility? Suppose if you take sugar is dissolved in a water to form sugar solution. Solubility means the substance have the tendency to dissolve in a solvent. Sometimes salt is sparingly soluble, that means not completely dissolved in a solvent to form precipitate. For example, lead 2 plus salt is sparingly soluble in dilute HCl and to form lead chloride precipitate. Similarly, our body contains calcium 2 plus. It takes oxalic acid from outside or uh, from tomatoes in excess to form calcium oxalate, which is said to be kidney stone. So that precipitation is very important. We have come across many precipitation reactions in inorganic qualitative analysis. For example, dilute HCl is used to precipitate Pb2 plus lead 2 plus ions as lead chloride, which is sparingly soluble in water. Kidney stones are developed over a period of time due to the precipitation of calcium 2 plus as calcium oxalate. Our body contains calcium 2 plus combined with oxalic acid to form calcium oxalate. This is said to be kidney stones. To understand the precipitation, let us consider solubility equilibrium. So the reactant is in solid phase, is dissolved in the water and to form constituent ions. How to write the equilibrium constant for this? As usual, product concentration divided by reactant concentration. So product x n plus y m minus. The concentration of x n plus power of m y m minus power n. Then concentration of xm and yn. xm yn. So the m and n is said to be number of moles. Number of moles is written as exponential powers. To understand the precipitation, let us consider solubility equilibrium that exists between undissociated sparingly soluble salt, this one, and its constituent ions, this one. So salt is XMYN, this is salt, is dissolved in a water and to make constituent ions. How to write equilibrium constant? Product concentration divided by reactant concentration. In solid equilibrium, the equilibrium constant is referred as solubility product constant or solubility product. So this is said to be solubility product constant or solubility product. In such heterogeneous equilibria, what does mean by heterogeneous equilibria? Reactant and product are in different phases. So that is heterogeneous equilibrium. The concentration of solid is a constant and it is omitted in the above expression. The concentration of this one is solid. It is taken as constant so that it is omitted. So the equation becomes K is equal to x m n minus n x power n plus power m y m minus power n. Salt is dissolved in water and to form constituent ions, and then equilibrium constant is equal to product concentration divided by reactant concentration. concentration of the reactant is taken as constant because it is taken in solid state. Then this will be omitted. The equation becomes Ksp is equal to x n plus power m, the concentration of y m minus power n. So Ksp means solubility product. This solubility product is used to find out precipitation of ionic compound. Ionic product is greater than solubility product, the precipitation will occur. If ionic product is greater than solubility product, precipitation will occur. In solubility product, equilibrium concentration, the molar concentration is taken as equilibrium concentration. In ionic product, initial concentration or concentration at a given time t is only used. The expression of ionic product is similar to expression of solubility product. What is solubility product? This equation is solubility product. The solubility product of a compound is defined as product of, product means multiplication, product of the molar concentration of the constituent ion. This is the molar concentration of the constituent ions, each raised to the power of its stoichiometric coefficient in a balanced equilibrium equation. This is coefficient raised to the exponential powers. Solubility product finds useful to decide whether an ionic compound gets precipitated when solution that contain the constituent ions are mixed. Solubility product, it is used to find out precipitation of ionic compound. When the product of molar concentration of the constituent ions, this is the product of molar concentration of the constituent ions, ionic product exits the solubility product, then the compound gets precipitated. Ionic product, this is ionic product, is greater than solubility product, precipitation will occur. The expression for the solubility product and the ionic product appears to be same. Expression of solubility product is similar to the expression of the ionic product. In the solubility product expression, the molar concentration represents the equilibrium concentration. In ionic product, initial concentration or concentration at a given time t is used. In general, we can summarize as ionic product is greater than Ksp, solubility product, precipitation will occur and the solution is supersaturated. Ionic product is less than solubility product, no precipitation and the solution is unsaturated. Ionic product is equal to Ksp, solubility product, equilibrium exists and the solution is saturated. Determination of solubility product from molar solubility. Solubility product can be calculated from molar solubility. What is meant by molar solubility? Suppose if you take 1 liter of the solution, how many moles of solute is added in this? That means maximum number of moles of solute that can be dissolved in 1 liter of the solution, that is said to be molar solubility. If you take 1 mole of solute XmYn, which is in solid phase, and to form constituent ions m moles of Xn plus and n moles of Ym minus, solubility can be calculated from molar solubility, that is maximum number of moles of solute that can be dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. XmYn, this is solute, is in the solid phase and to form constituent ions. From the above stoichiometrically balanced equation, we have come to know that 1 mole of XmYn solute dissociated to furnish m moles of Xn plus and n moles of Ym minus. If S is molar solubility of XmYn solute, S is the molar solubility of the solute, then the concentration of Xn plus, which is considered as Ms, the concentration of Ym minus, which is considered as Ns. How to write the KSP solubility product? The solubility product, that is equal to product of molar concentration of the constituent ions, which is constituent ions X power n plus and Y power m minus. The concentration of X n plus power m. Coefficient is written as exponential power. X n plus power m, Y m minus power n. This is KSP, solubility product. Then X n plus is replaced by Ms. Y m minus is replaced by Ns. S is common for both. S power m, S power n. So that S power m plus n. Solubility product KSP, that is equal to m power m, n power n, S power m plus n.